Hello everyone, this is class 7th biology video of lesson number 3, classification of living world. As we have already read some chapter in previous videos, in that video we have learned that when the classification has started, it was given by the Carolus Linnaeus, who has given us two kingdom theory. In two kingdom system, he has divided whole world into the two kingdoms only. But due to the failure of that system, due to some drawbacks, the new biologist, that is R.H. Whitaker, in 1969 come forward with a new idea of five kingdom system. He has divided the whole living world in the five kingdoms. As the types are Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. He has divided the whole kingdom in five types, but he has the classification was done on the basis of some characteristics. There were some characteristics which were considered before the division. What kind of characteristics that are? Firstly, he considered the cell structure. In cell structure, he has considered that whether the organism is prokaryotic or eukaryotic. We have already discussed that what are pro and eukaryotics. Prokaryotics are the organism in which the nucleus is not properly developed. So in cell structure, he has considered whether the organism is prokaryotic or eukaryotic. For division, next he focus on the body organization. Like उसका body organization कैसा है, whether the organism is unicellular or multicellular, whether the organism is unicellular or multicellular. Beta, I have told you that what are unicellular are the organisms that are made up of single cell, and multicellular are the organisms that are made up of more cells, of different type of cells, right? And then next, the last characteristic on which he has focused, that was mode of nutrition. Mode of nutrition, like कि उसका mode of nutrition कैसा है, means in what sense he is taking food. Like is the organism is making his food by himself? क्या वो अपना खाना खुद बनाता है? Are they autotrophic? क्या वो autotrophic है? Are they heterotrophic? Or they depends on others for the food? Right? Mode of nutrition he has considered. He has considered three characteristics mainly to divide into the five kingdoms. So that first is cell structure कैसा है? Are they are prokaryotic or eukaryotic? Then body organization, unicellular है या multicellular? Then they he focused on the mode of nutrition. Are they autotrophic or heterotrophic? Right? So out of the five categories, today we will discuss the kingdom Monera. Beta, Monera, the word Monera is derived from the Greek word monos. Monos means single. Monos means single, right? तो इसके अंदर that we are going to discuss that beta Monera is, it consists of oldest, very simplest and primitive organisms. इसके अंदर क्या आते हैं? Oldest, simplest and primitive organisms that are present everywhere and even inside our body also. Now the organisms that were coming under the Monera, they were like they do not have a definite nucleus, means they are prokaryotics, and as the name shows single, so they are unicellular. Uni means one, single means also one, so they are unicellular. And like some plants, they have outer covering, means they have cell wall that gives protection and gives shape to the cells. For example, bacteria, blue-green algae, but some of them are do not having cell wall. For example, mycoplasm. Beta, these are the simple examples, but it can be one more question in the exam. So please focus on the examples also. Next is their mode of nutrition. That is mainly autotrophic, as blue-green algae, but sometimes it is heterotrophic also. For example, most of bacteria and mycoplasma. Right beta? And then they are usually non-movable. मूव नहीं करते ज़्यादातर, वो नॉर्मली नॉन मूवेबल होते हैं. बट सम हैव थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स कॉल्ड फ्लैजेला फॉर मूवमेंट, लाइक दिस. These are called flagella, thread-like structures that helps for movement. Right? So next that we will discuss is type study of bacteria. Under this kingdom Monera, we will discuss about the bacteria that we will discuss in next video. Thank you.